A Super Ag 54 flotation tire. They cost just as much money as a whole ride. And when you see me rolling, then you gonna know why. It's like a tank mixed with a Suzuki Samurai. And jaws drop to the ground when we ride by. They all looking up cause we sitting sky high. The rain moving in, so we moving on. Now we gon' ride it till the wheels fall off. Fall low, fast, loud and low. A tall, loud and mean. We gon' ride it till the wheels fall off. Fall low, yeah, we about to get more mud than you ever seen. We gon' sling it till the wheels fall off. Fall low, we reppin' that flag. Until the day we die, we gon' fly till the wheels fall off. Fall low, tuned up, gassed up, roll up on the scene. 6 feet up, loud, tall and mean. We about to sling more mud than you ever seen. Outside stay dirty, inside stay clean. My crew dressed the same like a football team, wearing muddy shirts if you know what I mean. Boots of course with some Carhartt jeans. My straw hat's a crown that makes me the king. Squad of cheerleaders, you can hear them scream louder than a bunch of drunks on Jim Beam. They're all so fine, it's hard to believe that they love getting dirty, every redneck's dream. The rain moving in, so we moving on.